Hello, I'm Jess, and today I'm going to show you how to install grommets that screw in place, which are very beginner friendly, and they add a classy, stylish touch to your handmade projects. Welcome back to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. If you are new to sewing or like sewing stylish, durable projects, our YouTube channel is a great resource to create confidently. Our screw-together grommets come in a variety of metal finishes to coordinate with your fabrics and your project style. You can choose from nickel, gold, antique brass, gunmetal, rose gold, and our newly added Tula pink. These grommets are so secure, very lightweight, and they add that high-end finish that we all adore to our handmade projects. You can use grommets for attaching straps or a drawstring on totes, handbags, and bucket bags. The screws are included with the hardware, and the other tools that you'll need are a small screwdriver, a sharp pair of scissors, a rotary punch is helpful, and we do recommend a small amount of glue. These grommets are featured on a variety of our patterns, including the Magnolia bucket bag, the Joanna drawstring backpack, the buddy pouch, the S.T.uff-Ins bag organizer, our binder pouch pattern, the Sandy tote, and the Burkett drawstring backpack. I'll be showing how to install this hardware on one of our fan favorite patterns, which is the Magnolia bucket bag. So gather your supplies and let's begin.
Install one grommet centered at each placement mark through all of the layers. So let's start with one grommet. You'll want to unscrew the back plate from the grommet and use the back plate as your template to mark the hole for the grommet. First, I trace the inner circle of the back plate. Then I mark each of the screw holes. Then you'll want to draw an oval shape connecting each of the screw holes around that inner circle mark. You'll want the oval to be about 1/8 of an inch from the inner circle edge and continue around each of the screw hole marks. This is because when we cut the hole, you'll want to make sure that the raw edges of the fabric are concealed inside the grommet. You don't want any raw edges poking through and showing through that center of the grommet. So that's why we need about 1/8 inch past that center circle mark. Next, we'll cut out the oval shape. I like to use my rotary punch on the largest setting to punch out each of the screw holes. Then take your scissors and continue cutting out the rest of the oval shape. It's better to cut a little bit smaller because you can always cut away more if needed. Then test to make sure that the front and back of your grommet fit over the oval cutout area. If you need to trim any extra fabric away, feel free to do so. Once you're satisfied with the cutout area, then screw together the front and back plate of the grommet. Then you'll continue working around the rest of the bag, installing one grommet at a time until each of your grommets are installed.
I hope you enjoyed learning how to install this hardware, and if you have any other questions, let us know in the comments below. Please share and show off your photos of your beautiful grommets. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtag SallieTomato on social media so we can see it. And if you did like this video, we would love for you to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below so that way you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll check out the rest of our pattern line for more inspiring projects.